Hi, I'm going to be making slime for you today. So I already have the glue in the bowl. And now we're going to be adding a tablespoon of baking soda. So, whoopsie-doo. Now we're just going to pour that in there. Sorry about that. Now what we do is we're going to stir that in there. So let me get my little spoon for you, and we're gonna spoon that, and you can see the it in there. So yeah, and we'll mix that in there. Now we're going to take this shaving cream and just put it in there. So let's take that. Put that in there. And now we're going to take this. We're going to take this EOS lotion. We're going to put like maybe 2 squirts in there, maybe 3. And then you're going to stir that together. So, stir that all in. Very good. And then you'll take your food coloring. I'm doing blue.
No, Daniel, what's wrong with you, airplane? Every time you responded to me.
We'll do 3 drops, probably. Yeah. Blue. And then we will mix that into there. And just stir, stir, stir. Stir it up. And it'll be coming to that consistency. And we'll just like stir it up.
When it says keep away from children, you don't get it.
So we're going to take this contact solution and put it in there until it gets to a good, good slime. And you'll just make sure, sometimes you stir it a lot, it will make your hands tired. So, that's what you have to do, and you don't need it.
You're having hamburgers, TR. We ain't making these type of dinners. You'll be fine.
Look at this, PR.
And you'll
Now I
just
think it's going to work.
stir it
Should.
all
I
together.
think I got it to work, Chris. Or postcode.
Okay, now you'll get your hands
What is that?
into it, and you'll need to knead.
Not right now, I'm going to wait.
Okay.
Yeah, I made it!
Nanny,
What, sweetie?
can you put some more contact solution in this?
I can. Right,
And sorry for the noise, guys. I don't have
Personal computer there and check and see.
things. So this is what the slime turned out to look like. It's very good, fluffy. Give you eclipse of it. So that's what the slime looks like. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel and like this video if you like slime. And the question is, what is your favorite chips?